Back at it with another video, fam. I don't know who needed this. I don't know if anybody needed this. But if you did need how to do hamburger helper while having just thawed the meat out 2 hours ago, you know, we out here getting the roll spatula out. Now see, while you look at my title right, you say, okay, he's the aficionado on biscuits. And while that is true, I am out here on biscuits. You gotta make something else from time to time. So I decided to do something easy and something fun. Look at this right here. This is fun, you know. Salmonella. There we go. I'm gonna eat salmonella straight from the bowl. But I'll come back when I figure out how to handle that and I'll know how it went. Alright, part two. We back. It's about to be pretty ghetto if I had to say so myself. Remedial. I don't have a camera, but I'm gonna make it rock. And you may not see my face for most of it, but you didn't come in from my ugly mug. You came from the food. So let's try moving this over here. See how this jizzy jack. Alright. You can get the ants eye view. So what you need next. I don't have the meat simmer anymore. I drained it and I went to get the ingredients. So we got hot water. You need, I believe, 2/3, right? 3/4. You need 3/4 of water. There's not a 3/4 little niggy on my knock, so I had to get the 1/2 cup, and it has like a 1/4. You can't see that anyway. Yeah, it has a 1/4 little knock on it, so we'll just pour it 3 times. You know, basic mathematics, and yeah. So far, going good. The meat, surprisingly, came out a little bit tough. It is all brown. I'll take a picture of it and kind of crop it in a second. But it is brown, so I won't. This won't be my last meal, as Jesus would say. R.I.P. Jesus. But yeah, I mean, we're rolling right now. I got a secret ingredient that I found out that people don't typically use, which is surprising to me. And I may be missing the sauce packet because I don't know where it's at. I just opened the box and there's pasta in the box. It's just not the sauce package, which is what I kind of need that. But here's the water. We need the milk. You need 2.5 cups, which is a little bit much in my opinion, but we got our 1 cup, so we'll just be pouring 2 and 1/2 of these. You know, again, basic mathematics, of course. Again, so far so good. I wanted this milk to drink cereal with, but most of this milk will be gone by this little experiment here. But hey, as long as it's going for a good cause, which is me not spending $20 in the next 3 days off of on fast food. Fast food, man, it's tough, man. It's tough. I don't know if I had quite enough meat. I mean, I used the whole, you know, sausage can of meat, but I feel like I could have, you know, maybe had more meat. I don't know. I believe that's one whole pound I used. Let me double check. Yeah, that was 1 pound. So I use 1 pound. It's just the try to get a good view of this. Again, I'll give a better cup. Matter of fact, since I already poured this, let's just cut to the iPhone view so you can actually see what we're doing right here. Back to the bird's eye view. Shout out Travis Scott. And now here's the kicker. So we got the pasta, which we got to pour in. Let's see. Stir in hot water, milk, some sauce, mitts, and pasta. Heat to boiling. So what we're gonna do right now, I'm gonna pray that the bag is at the end of this box. I'm just gonna dump it in there. Alright. That's the pasta. Sorry about the focus. Yes, get it. Alright, so we got a little bit of light in here. Looking like a trap spot, but you know. I'm trapping this meat out. Oh, there's a sauce package at the bottom. Okay. So we can't just dump it out. And then we're gonna just dump it. I don't know if I got to see all that. It felt good. It's probably the best part of this video so far. So yeah, we did that. Here's the package. So you gotta dump it. Yeah, I like supposed to dump it before you put the pasta in, but it's far too late. 2014. I'm tossing this oven out here. Oh no! I'm spilling it out anywhere. Goodness gracious, this is like a bad porn scene. It's just going everywhere. A Monsters of Jizz scene, if you will. If you don't mess with Monsters of Jizz, then ignore that reference. But if you do, which I don't, but if you know of it, it's some pretty as Christian T would say. So we're in. I think this video has to be like at least about 8 or 9 minutes, and we haven't even actually got the dish cooking. But hey, I promise you, man. Sometimes the journey is better than the experience, you know? And by that I mean sometimes Journey the band made better songs than Golden Experience, the band that is based off of JoJo's Bizarre Adventure. If you haven't seen JoJo's Bizarre Adventure or Golden Experience, I think it may be called Golden Wind, but the stand is called Golden Experience, and that's all that matters. Go peep that. It's really good. All right, so we're kind of swirling it in now. Looks like Tiana Trump having the Yorkle remnants out of Bella Dangerous's backside. If you haven't seen that interview, please don't. It'll have you sick on a 3 a.m. on a Friday night. Trust me. I know that from experience. While we're here, let's just talk about how deranged Tiana Trump is. This woman needs God. Now I know sex workers, they're called. They a lot of them do suffer from abuse or some kind of mental deficiency. But Tiana Trump literally had a perfect childhood from what I could gather, and she just wanted to do the most vile ish in porn. And I can't get behind it, dude. I don't know. She's just doing the most, fam. Every interview, I don't really watch necessarily her material that much or at all, really. But there's something wrong with that person being the head, man. Anyway, that looks like that's about as good enough we're gonna do with the left hand. That's not even my primary whipping hand. Don't judge me. So we're gonna put it back on heat to boiling. Let's try medium. Let me try medium and see how that goes. Let me see how this is going. Okay. Here, I'll let it cook and I'll come back to it. So with me, I forgot to mention what the secret ingredient was. It's cheese. It's Velveeta shreds Mexican cheese blend. 2 days, 6 days expired, of course. We're still gonna throw it in there and hope for the best. Again, we're about to go to the simmer phase, and after that, I may give an update about how it came out looking. See you in a couple. This is just me risking it all here. I'm gonna throw in a little bit of seasoned salt. just to sate the masses, because I didn't show too much preparation, mind you, but I think what I did show is what you need to see. What's that Weekend song? It's not what you want, but I'm what you need. Shout out to Weekend.